Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this pharmacy competitive examination revision point of view, today we are going to discuss about 5 important multiple choice type questions. Today we are discussing 5 important inorganic compounds. The first question is milk of magnesia is a common name for dash. Suspension of magnesium hydroxide, suspension of magnesium oxide, suspension of magnesium carbonate, and none of the above. Okay, whether it may be magnesium hydroxide suspension or magnesium oxide suspension or magnesium carbonate suspension. So we may have seen in the antacid syrup, for example Gelusil MPS digene or diaval syrup, we may have seen magnesium hydroxide suspension. Okay, then it is also having aluminum hydroxide gel, etc. So the correct answer for the milk of magnesia common name is magnesium hydroxide suspension. First option is the correct answer. Then the question number 2, precipitated chalk is dash. Calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate plus calcium chloride, calcium carbonate plus calcium oxide, none of the above. Okay, 4 options have been mentioned here. Okay, calcium carbonate plain, first option. Second, it is combined with calcium chloride. Then third, the same thing is combined with calcium oxide. Fourth, none of the above. Okay, so the correct answer for the second question, precipitated chalk, is calcium carbonate. So the first option is the correct answer for the second question. Precipitated chalk is calcium carbonate. Okay, then the question number 3, Epsom salt is dash. Epsom salt, what is Epsom salt? Sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, potassium sulfate, and none of the above. Okay, so if you are studying about the inorganic compounds, first and foremost we have to know the another names, then molecular formula. Next, its important physical as well as chemical parameters or properties should be thoroughly studied in a proper way. Okay, that's why we are discussing Epsom salt is sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, potassium sulfate, and none of the above. We have to guess the answer for this question. Okay, so the correct answer for the question, I mean Epsom salt, is magnesium sulfate. Second option is the correct answer. Then question number 4, kaolin is dash. Hydrated aluminum silicate, hydrated magnesium silicate, hydrated aluminum and silicon oxide, and none of the above. So before answering this question, we have to know what is kaolin. So kaolin, it is the mineral source of the drug. It is coming under crude drug category also. The drug obtained from mineral source. Okay, whether the answer is hydrated aluminum hydrated aluminum silicate or hydrated magnesium silicate or hydrated aluminum and silicon oxide, and none of the above. Okay, so the correct answer for the question kaolin is hydrated aluminum silicate. Okay, then the last and fifth question, Lugol's solution is dash. That is weak iodine solution, aqueous iodine solution, strong iodine solution, and none of the above. Okay, so here also we are following the same thing. The synonym that is most important: weak iodine solution, aqueous iodine solution, strong iodine solution, and none of the above. Okay, so iodine normally it is used in antimicrobial category. Okay, so it will be topically applied in own healing purposes. Okay, so it will be available in different varieties like weak iodine, aqueous iodine, and strong iodine. Our question is Leucol solution is weak iodine solution. So dear friends, dear students, and dear viewers, all of you prepare well for your GPAT, RRB, ESIC, MRB, and drug inspector examination. We are wishing all of my dear friends for your successful and brightful future in your life. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீள ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகழ், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும், எல்லா தொழில்களிலும், எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.